In a move widely seen as yet another assault on free expression, the Broadcasting Authority of Zimbabwe (BAZ) has issued a chilling warning targeting digital content creators and online platforms. Critics say it's nothing more than a renewed attempt to muzzle dissent and tighten state control over public discourse. Sanapenda mashoko ari kuda panguva ino kuchionekwa kunzi aiwa the Broadcasting Authority panguva ino yakathreatena the crackdown on social media panguva ino ichiti aiwa vese vanocreata content aiwa munofanira kungwarira content yamunoproducer pamwe chete pama-online platforms. Sanapenda mashoko mudanyango panguva ino ino subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Timina unomo mudanyango muchinzi disguised in bureaucratic jargon about national values and responsible broadcasting, BAZ's latest statement condemned what it called the rising trend of internet-based broadcasting allegedly violating national regulations. It cited vague concerns over unverified, harmful, or offensive material, terms so broad they could be used to target virtually any criticism of the government. In course, these incidents represent a blatant disregard for the guidelines provided in the nation's broadcasting laws. The statement reads, though it notably fails to offer a single example of what constitutes such violations, raising suspicions about the real intent behind this sudden concern. Rather than defending ethics or media integrity, BAZ's message reads like a threat. It explicitly warns that it will continue to monitor both the traditional and digital media and will not hesitate to decisively enforce existing laws. For many Zimbabweans, this rings alarm bells. It's a familiar tactic in a country where freedom of speech has long been under siege. As traditional media continues to suffer from censorship and political interference, digital platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and X have become lifelines for alternative voices. The regime's growing discomfort with these platforms signals a fear of losing control over the national narrative. BAZ's heavy-handed warning appears less about upholding standards and more about intimidating those who dare to speak truth to power. It's a classic case of using vague legislation and broad interpretation to justify censorship. Domashika kuda panguva ino vanachicriticize aiwa BAZ panguva ino haizonyatsi kutaura zvinhu zvakati tsvikiti aiwa zviri straight panguva ino asi inongothreatena aiwa macontent creators. Pena comment section medu dzemafunguro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.